Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the much love. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this Ghana local ice cream using custard and milk. So if you want to see how I make this, keep watching. So that let's get started. So we're starting with dissolving our custard. I already have my custard in here. And also, I'll be leaving everything I use, all the measurement I use, in the description box. So my custard is here in the plate. I'll just go ahead to dissolve it with some cold water. While I'm dissolving this, I have my water boiling on the stove. In the pot, I have my water boiling already. I'll go ahead to add the dissolved custard. Then immediately I'll start stirring it all around. And also I'll be adding some butter. Continue stirring so that the butter dissolves. So we already have our butter dissolved. I'll turn off the heat and transfer it into a bowl. This is our already made custard. I'll go ahead to add some vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix. And also I'll be adding condensed milk. And also I'll be adding some evaporated milk. So if you don't have liquid evaporated milk like this, you can make one by using 2 cups of powdered milk and dissolving it 2 cups of water. So at this point, our custard ice cream is ready. We'll go ahead to pour them into cups. I'm making use of disposable cups and popsicle sticks. If you don't have this, you can use chewing stick. Right now, I'll go ahead to insert the popsicle sticks, as you can see me doing. And I also mentioned, if you don't have this, you can use a chewing stick. And we are done inserting the popsicle sticks. So I'll go ahead to put it in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, or you can leave it overnight. And if you have so many things in your fridge, you can just use a foil to cover the top of the ice cream. But for me, mine is okay like this. I'll just go ahead to place it in the refrigerator. So it's been 6 hours. I left this almost 7 hours. Yeah, I left it in the refrigerator. I just brought it out, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'll go ahead to dissolve it in water to show you guys. So I have my bowl with warm water. So just place it inside it. Just give it few seconds or a minute, it will dissolve. So I just took this set out of the water. I'll put more. So this ice cream is ready, and you can enjoy it for a hot summer weather with your family. After dissolving everything, this is what it looks like, and I hope you guys try this recipe of Ghanaian local ice cream. Enjoy this ice cream with your friends and family this hot summer weather. And also, I'll be leaving every measurement I use for them in the description box. Please go there to check them out. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.